before we moved here, it'd been owned by someone who was sort of renovating it. They had a caravan out the back, and so basically it was a car park with a bit of a patio and a big drop down to the car park area. That was it, really. So it was just hardcore. So what we wanted, because there was a big drop down from the patio, what we wanted to be able to do was to have an accessible path from the house and all the way around the garden and down to the drive. I think it was Ed's sort of enthusiasm for it that made us think it was going to be pretty good, I think. So he came, had a look at it. All the levels are a bit odd in our garden, but he, I think, took it on as a challenge, and he was really enthusiastic. So yeah, we thought we were in safe hands with him. So there was no sort of like heavy pressure salesmanship or anything, but I'd done a sort of sketch to begin with, which was very rough, which was basically a couple of circles on a piece of paper, and that was about it. But Ed fleshed that out, and the whole idea of having the circular path with a pond in the middle, that's what we wanted to start off with. But Ed put all the flesh on the bones of that very basic idea, really. But no, there was no pressure. Good consultation, came back with drawings that were interesting and helped us understand what he was hoping to achieve. And it was pretty much in line with what we wanted. Well, it was in line with what we wanted, but much better than I could have ever thought. They were brilliant. I don't think we could praise them highly enough, really. They were hard-working, courteous, kept us informed. As long as we kept them supplied with tea and biscuits, they were absolutely fantastic. And they were great. So Gavin seemed to be, and Craig, and did a fantastic job at just keeping everything on track and following it and problem solving, because it's not the easiest bit of garden, although it's relatively small. The levels on it are pretty awkward, and they worked all that out. But yeah, they knew what they were very reassuring that they knew what to do and could solve stuff. More than happy, yeah, more than happy. I think it certainly exceeded what we thought was going to be possible here. And more importantly, really, does the job in terms of access. But they've done the access and they've made it look great. They've already been up to have a look, so yeah, they've been on the patio, looked round, and yeah, enjoyed it. And it's for us, it's a good place to sit out as well. So yeah, I think everybody appreciates what Fuller's have done for us. Oh, they think it's just it's got a fantastic wow factor. They come in and sort of can't believe how good it is, I think. I don't know really whether this is a massive job for them or a tiny job, I don't know. But it was a very personalised service. They've done a great job and would definitely recommend them.